Let's cook together.
We'll make something yummy and safe.
Yay, I want to help! First, let's get our ingredients ready. Look at all these beautiful colors. What do we have here?
We have fruits, vegetables, bread, and eggs. Let's sort them out. Can you find all the red things?
Look, a red apple and a red tomato.
That's right. And how many strawberries do we have? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Now for a very important step. Before we cook, we wash. We need to wash all our food friends to make sure they are clean and ready for our meal.
We give them a little shower and then we pat them dry. All clean.
We use safe tools and a clean board. Grown-ups handle the sharp things, and you can help with your special tools.
Apron on, sleeves up. Now we look like real chefs.
I'm a chef. I'm ready to cook. That's the spirit. Remember our most important rule. Always cook with a grown-up and be gentle with our ingredients. Let's begin.
Before we cook, we always start with clean hands and clean food. Step 1. Wash the veggies with cool water. It's important to wash away any dirt so our food is fresh and ready to eat.
That's right. We gently rub every piece to make sure it's squeaky clean. Rub, rinse, and shake off the drips. See how the water washes everything away? Rub, rinse, all clean!
Perfect. Now we pat them until they are nice and dry. Great job.
With our ingredients all clean and dry, it's time for the best part. Now we mix.
First, the soft pieces go in the bowl. They feel so squishy.
Next up are the eggs. We crack eggs in a cup first to make sure no little shells get in our food. Then, we whisk them up.
Look at that! Pour the swirly yellow eggs right on top. What a fun sound it makes. Sprinkle, sprinkle, a little bit of magic. Now for the mixing dance. Let's stir slowly, around and around, so all the ingredients can say hello to each other.
We go under and over, like a little wave in the ocean. This helps everything mix together perfectly.
Under and over, I'm mixing!
Okay, our mix is ready for the next step. Now, we cook with a grown-up and safe tools. The stove can get very hot, so grown-ups handle this part.
That's a very important rule. Hot things are for grown-ups. We can help by watching and learning from a safe spot.
See how I make little circles, nice and slow? This helps it cook all the way through.
Listen to that gentle sizzle. And look, when bubbles pop, it's time to flip. This means our food is almost ready to eat. Let's all sing the cooking song. Come on, everybody, sing along. First, we wash our veggies bright. Wash, wash. Veggies clean.
Echo veggies clean.
Make our kitchen bright and keen. Now we mix it all with care, swirling ingredients in the air. Mix, mix, stir around.
Echo, stir around.
Yummy food is what we found.
Grown-ups help when it gets hot, cooking food right in the pot.
Cook, cook, nice and slow.
Echo, nice and slow.
Healthy food helps us grow.
Now it's ready, what a treat. Time for us to sit and eat.
Plate, plate, share and smile.
Echo, share and smile.
Let's enjoy it for a while. One more time. Wash, wash, veggies clean. Make our kitchen bright and keen. Mix, mix, stir around. Yummy food is what we found. Cook, cook, nice and slow. Healthy food helps us grow.
Time to taste our cooking.
So yummy.
You did it! High five!
Cooking is fun. Healthy food makes us strong.